Hi, my name's June. Welcome to another video. Finally, after 2 months of inaction, I'm allowed to go outside and fly my drone again. Obviously, I'm already very excited as I'm so new to the whole drone flying. It was a real shame to have to sit inside for 2 months and wait to get outside again. Today we've chosen a castle that is actually closed at the moment due to the virus. So although the weather conditions aren't ideal today with some wind and it's a bit cloudy, I still want to do it today because I think it's more ideal to have the object free from people so that I don't first of all disturb them, and second of all so that I don't have them in the shot. So I think I'll be able to take more advantage of the castle by doing that. So it's an hour's drive. The castle is called Aggstein and it's also by the Danube, and I hope that we'll also be able to get some nice shots of the river too. So see you there in a bit. Okay, we're here at the castle. You can see it in the background here. It's still a bit cloudy, but the wind's gotten a lot better since we left Vienna, so that should be fine. It shouldn't impact the drone as much. That's sitting here ready to go. And I'll start by just circling around the castle so you can also see the vicinity of the Danube. That's just below there. And later on we'll probably try and find another spot to show the Danube a bit better. Hope you enjoy the shots. Unfortunately, my microphone failed me in this instance. I'll have to make sure that this doesn't happen again. I'm explaining here that was really taken by the castle. Only when you have a drone you really get to take in and see all these surrounding areas, which you can only sort of picture from the ground. Anyway, now we'll continue on down to the Danube, find a parking spot there so that we can fly over the river after a quick transition. Okay, that's us done for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I particularly also like flying over the water again. It's been a while since we were in Salzburg. In case you haven't seen that video yet, there's a link to that here. We went to Matt-See and flew over a lake for the first time. It was very, not like this, obviously a river, the lake was very still, so that was really nice. Watch that video if you want to see some nice shots of that kind of scenery. If you did enjoy the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for future videos. Now that I can finally fly my drone again, I'm already looking for the next destinations to go, and of course I'll take you with me on that journey. In the meantime, take care and I'll see you next time.